Hi, I'm a professional organizer, and I'm prepping our storage unit to receive the items from our rental home. What I'm doing is I'm looking for all the boxes, things that can stack well on top of each other. We didn't want to use shelves because we're not going to really need to access these things, and they're only going to be there about, hopefully, a month. I'm looking for heavier boxes on the bottom, lighter boxes on the top. The edges of the boxes are the strongest, so you want to make sure that they stack over top of the edges so that they don't crush. And by stacking the boxes versus using shelving, you end up gaining more space because there's no gaps. I put long, flat stuff in the back to cover with a mattress later, and anything soft and unstackable or odd-shaped is just going to be thrown up high or tucked in later within the gaps. I'm trying to maximize the space as much as possible, especially go vertical. We started with the large stuff towards the back, mattresses laid in the back there against the wall. Some people said use a tarp for the ground for moisture, but we're hoping this is only going to be 30 days. Again, I'm also now looking for something similar. Rectangles, squares, things that stack on top of each other very easily. Odd-shaped things can go up high later and fill in those weird, odd gaps. I'm also checking to make sure that everything has a label. I'm using yellow painter's tape quickly with a Sharpie if something's not labeled. Also, my goal is to keep an aisle along the stacked boxes so that we can locate something just in case we need it. I'm going to try to leave space in the middle as well, in case I want to stack more boxes on the left side and leave space for that. Here I'm just going as high as I can, looking for rectangles and things that stack well, thinking of like Jenga. Taking odd things like weights and sliding them under furniture. The large trash cans came in handy for just long, tall, slender things. Hammock stands, shovels, mops, brooms, gardening tools. Anytime something like that came in, I just popped it in the trash can. You want to remember to also take advantage of drawer space, and you can see underneath the desk we put a base to a punching bag. Now you can watch the ball deflate here over time. I thought that would be fun. I know it's not looking as pretty because everything's so odd-shaped, but I'm just kind of tucking things up high safely. We're not going to really plan on stopping by or needing any of this. We have what we need temporarily where we're staying. Luckily, we were able to break down our kitchen table, which saved us a lot of space. If there's anything you can break down, I recommend it. At this point, we have all of our larger items, such as our furniture. Everything else was called for 1-800-JUNK. Now, usually you might have large moving boxes and all these little odds and ends can go in them, but that's not what we were working with, and this was a quick move. We just used what we had. My partner brought over kitchen stuff in bins with no lids, so we decided to use a shelving unit, which helped. Because they had no lids, they were not able to be stacked on. I forgot to mention that this was a quick, unexpected move because a tree fell on our rental home, and we also had experienced mold. It was kind of just a time to shed a lot of the old energy, and we're going to start new in our new home soon. Thanks for watching. Happy organizing.